Howdy small buddies! Get ready for a wild and muddy adventure as big giraffes, African elephants, lions, and other jungle safari animals find themselves stuck in the sandbox. Join us for an exciting rescue mission filled with bravery, teamwork, and heartwarming moments as we work together to free these majestic creatures from their sandy trap and learn their amazing names, fun facts, and characteristics, and more. Let's plunge into the video. Delving into the wonders of cat. Cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior is a result of their evolution as hunters, as these times provide optimal conditions for hunting prey. While cats often purr when content, the lives of swift predators cheetah. Cheetah cubs face a high mortality rate with threats such as predators, particularly lions and hyenas, and even other male cheetahs. Only a fraction of cubs reach adulthood. Cheetahs primarily hunt small to medium-sized ungulates. A visual safari into the zebras. Zebras are known for their speed and agility. They can run at speeds of up to 65 km per hour and are capable of making quick turns to evade predators. Zebras are social animals and often form groups called dazels or zeal. Our spotlight on cows begins now. Cows spend a significant amount of their time grazing on grass. They have a specialized digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from plant fibers. In certain cultures, cows are considered sacred and are treated with reverence. The camel's role in arid ecosystems. Camels have been domesticated for thousands of years and have played a critical role in the economies of many societies. They are used for transportation, carrying goods, and providing milk and meat. Camels have a remarkable ability to find their way. Tales from the wolf territories. Wolves have played significant roles in various cultures and mythologies. They are often symbolic of freedom, loyalty, and strength. However, negative stereotypes have also contributed to their persecution in some regions. Uncovering the secrets of foxes. Some fox species, such as the red fox, have successfully adapted to urban environments. They can be found in cities and suburbs, scavenging for food in garbage bins and green spaces. Next stop on our wildlife is anteater. Anteaters have a distinctive appearance with long snouts, bushy tails, and a shaggy coat, which helps protect them from ant and termite bites. Despite their slow and lumbering appearance, beyond the water's edge, hippopotamus. While they were once widespread throughout Africa, hippos are now primarily found in rivers and lakes in East Africa due to habitat loss and poaching. These groups can range from a few individuals to as many as 30 members. The timeless beauty of horses. There are numerous horse breeds, each with unique characteristics such as the Arabian, Thoroughbred, Clydesdale, and many more. And horses have a specialized digestive system and are classified as non-ruminant herbivores. The intricacies of hamster habitat. While hamsters are primarily herbivores, they are considered omnivores because they may eat insects and small invertebrates in addition to their plant-based diets. Hamsters have a keen sense of smell which helps them locate food. Guardians of the jungle gorilla. Gorillas share approximately 98% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest living relatives along with chimpanzees and bonobos. Gorillas are highly intelligent animals capable of learning sign language and understanding complex concepts. Exploring the diversity of snakes. Snakes have a highly developed sense of smell through their forked tongues. They use their tongues to collect scent particles from the air, and then the Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouth analyzes these particles, providing information about their surroundings. Unveiling the prowess of the puma. The puma, also known as cougar, mountain lion, or a catamount, goes by many names across its wide range. Pumas are found in various habitats throughout North and South America, ranging from forests and mountains to deserts and swamps. The majestic lioness unveiled. Lionesses, along with the dominant male, work together to defend the prized territory against intruders. Lionesses are strong and agile, with powerful bodies that enable them to take down and carry prey that can be as heavy as themselves. A journey into the life of alligators. American alligators are primarily found in the southeastern United States, inhabiting freshwater environments such as swamps, rivers, and lakes. Chinese alligators are native to eastern China and are much smaller in size compared to their American counterparts. A global exploration of goat. Goats can be used for vegetation control. Their grazing habits can help manage overgrown vegetation, making them useful in preventing wildfires and maintaining ecosystems. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. Tales from the world of rhinoceros. Rhinos are known for their powerful charges. Despite their massive size, they can run at surprisingly high speeds, especially when they feel threatened. While some rhino species, like the white rhinoceros, understanding dogs in a new light. A dog's sense of smell is highly developed, with some breeds able to detect scents at concentrations as low as 1 part of trillion. Some dog breeds are known for their intelligence, such as the border. Unveiling the world of elephants. The two main species of elephants are the African elephant and the Asian elephant. African elephants are generally larger than Asian elephants. Elephants are known for their remarkable memory. They can remember and recognize individuals, places, and even other species after many years. Unveiling the crowned beast, lion. Lions are found in parts of Africa and a small population exists in the Gir Forest National Park in India. They typically inhabit grassland, savannas, and open woodlands. Lions are known for their love of sleep and can sleep for up to 20 hours a day. They are most active during the evening and early morning. Unveiling the mysteries of giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on earth with an average height of 16 to 18 feet. Their long necks can make up about one-third of their total height. Each giraffe has a unique pattern of spots on its coat. No two giraffes have the exact same spot pattern. Similar to human fingerprints, giraffes are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves. We appreciate your view to Big Giraffe, African Elephant, Jungle and Safari Animals Stuck in Sandbox Adventure. Subscribe now for this unforgettable adventure of courage and compassion as we come together to rescue big giraffes, African elephants, lions and other jungle safari animals from the sandbox. Let's make a difference and ensure a brighter future for wildlife. Until our next expedition, take care little kiddos.